The Meghalaya government will recruit over 1,000 teachers for higher and technical education, higher secondary and primary schools in the next 5 to 6 months. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma also announced plans to introduce science streams in 5 colleges and commerce streams in 3, creating 248 new teaching posts. A comprehensive blueprint to address long-standing teachers' issue will be presented on January 9th and 10th, aiming for a long-term solution. Last week, Cabinet approved introduction of science stream in 5 colleges, which will require recruitment of new teachers.
Government has decided to start the science stream in 5 colleges and commerce stream in another 3 colleges. That means Maukelang and Mahandaganj. Science stream will be open from next academic session, and Rosora, Williamnagar and Bakmar Government College, the full-fledged science commerce will be started from next academic session. So in the process, about 248 posts has been created in these 5 colleges.